Okay, good morning and welcome to Earth Fare, your healthy supermarket. Today we're going to be talking about our, we're going to be talking about we're going to state a problem that we're uh, analyzing and we're trying to deal with in this use case for today. That problem that we're going to discuss is our decrease in customers in the store. Our customer count this year to date, that is January 1st to February 18th, we're down on customers compared to the same 2-month period last year. And we have a little bit higher basket average, that is dollars per customer transaction, but both numbers are below our target goals. We have uh, a section on 5 whys, ideas we have as to why this problem is occurring. Number one, high prices and subpar customer experience may be driving customers away and deterring new customers from coming to experience. Vendors or purveyors may be charging more, and we subsequently have to raise the in-store prices, and customers may be unaware of that. It sort of leads into our next question. Customers may ask the team members why prices are higher, and team members may not be aware of a sufficient reason. They may not know why exactly the price of eggs is going up, even though it has almost no basis with this one store's supply chain issues. The customer only sees it in this iteration. Sort of covers question 4 there. Number 5, customers may actually be unaware of the possible savings opportunities, and team members may not be highly trained enough. They may not be on board with all of our standard operating procedures to inform customers about the loyalty programs and the means we're taking to extend these possible savings to our customer base. The root causes that we can derive from those questions asked, the things that make the problem take place in the first place. Customers are not aware of changing industry standards, and they are also unaware of what steps the company is taking to buck trends and continue to offer high quality, sustainable, and locally sourced options at an affordable price. A root cause may be that Earth Fare is not providing stores and team members with enough promotional material and training directives so that our team members can effectively pass on this information to customers. And our third and final root cause proposed for this issue is that while Earth Fare has experienced some growth, the negative change in customer count and marginal increase in net sales both fall below target projections. The lack of resources provided regarding outreach through advertising and community engagement, promotional material, and team member training are all potential root causes that are explained by those problem statement questions. Moving on.
So next we created some fishbone diagrams to brainstorm and categorize the causes and effects for 2 prescriptive analytics models and 2 predictive analytics models. So the first fishbone diagram, the effect is focused on 2 prescriptive variables. So these 2 effects include analyze and optimize pricing strategies for loyalty members, and the second is enhance customer experience or satisfaction. So some causes for the first effect are going to go along the top of the fishbone diagram, and these are dynamic pricing recommendations, purchase history analysis, comparison of competitor pricing, and demand-based discount adjustments. And the effect of all of these causes are optimized pricing. For the second effect, these are going to go along the bottom of the fishbone diagram, and some causes for this effect include sign-up process improvements utilizing AI, loyalty program feedback integration, data analysis for customer service adjustments, and personalized customer engagement strategies. And all of these causes are going to result in enhanced customer experience. So moving on to our second fishbone diagram, the effect is going to be focused on two predictive variables. So these two effects are increased store traffic through loyalty program incentives and improved cross-selling or upselling opportunities. So some of the effect or the causes that result in the first effect across the top are historical purchase behavior analysis, location-based data insights, effectiveness of past promotions, and customer visit frequency trends. And all these causes, again, will result in the effect of increased store traffic. And our second effect is improved cross-selling or upselling opportunities. And some of the causes of this would be behavior analysis of past purchases, product bundling trends, customer segment preferences, and demand forecasting, all of which could result in improved upselling.
For prescriptive scenario one, this is going to be based on customer purchasing analysis. So the scenario is reduced customer retention risk, and the effect or the outcome here is that we have at our store currently a declining customer count for year to date. Some causes that we have identified based on this data are going to be decreased shopping frequency, low engagement with the loyalty program. We have increased competition from other grocery stores, perceiving of higher prices, and then reducing the effectiveness of our promotions and then our loyalty promotions as well. The variables that are involved in this predictive model for independent variables, we have the shopping frequency, the average basket size per transaction, which is essentially the total, the loyalty program participation, and then the time since the last purchase or the frequency of how often they're shopping, and then competitor pricing indexes. And then the dependent variable here is the likelihood of the customer churn.
And so for the second prescriptive scenario, we're looking at increasing the customer basket amount. And the desired outcome of this is increased customer expenditure. And this has a lot of the same causes and independent variables from the prior prescriptive scenario. But of course, in the end, the dependent variable is the customer basket amount.
So for our predictive scenarios, the first one is ordering the exact quantities based on predicted demand. And the effect of this is either too much or not enough product. So the causes of this can be seasonal demand, prices, and inaccurate predicted demand, with the independent variables being sales data and seasonal demand, and the dependent variable being the inventory levels. For the second predictive scenario, it's the personalized promotions for individual customers with the effect of increased number of basket size. The causes could be a decrease in customers or inaccurate promotional efforts. The independent variable would be the sales data and the loyalty rewards data, with the dependent variable as the types of promotional events. And these are the sources we used.